Life is going to happen. You're going to set up a plan. You're going to have a vision. You're going to hope that everything turns out perfect. But let me tell you something. So often in life, things burn. Things go wrong. The plan falls apart. And in that moment, you're faced with a choice. How are you going to react? You see, that's where the real test begins. Do you have the right reaction or the wrong one? Because some of us, when life hits, we get tempted. We say, I'll just lie here. It'll pass. It'll go away. But trust me, it won't. You'll be stuck in that vicious cycle forever, unless you make a decision right now to get up. Some of you, you've been knocked down by life. You got up, wiped the blood, and said, man, he hit me. Yeah, life hits, but sometimes you've got to hit back. Don't waste your pain. Recycle it. Get something from it. If you're already in pain, use it. Do something with it. Let that pain push you to greatness. Let it drive you to the next level. But before you can do that, you need to ask yourself one question. What's your why? Why do you need a why? Because some days you won't want to get up. Some days you'll want to quit. And that's when your why will speak to you. It'll whisper, get up, keep going. Your mama needs you. Your daddy needs you. Your children need you. So get up, because your why, that's what's going to push you when you can't push yourself. When you're ready to quit, your why gives you that edge, that lift, that fire inside that takes you to the next level. You better look inside yourself, because you keep searching outside for answers when everything you need is already inside. You keep waiting for someone to save you, but you're already your own superhero. You keep looking for information, but everything you need is already in your head. It's time to stop waiting. It's time to get up and become the best version of you. Now listen, as you're going through your struggle, as you're facing that storm, you're ready to quit, ready to give in, because it doesn't look like what you imagined. You've been working 5 years, and it still doesn't look right. You've invested your money. You've poured in your time, and people are starting to look at you like you're crazy. 5 years, all that effort, and nothing to show for it. Let me be real with you. You had nothing to do with what happened to you. It's not your fault you got knocked down. It's not your fault life hits you out of nowhere. But listen carefully. If I come back a week later and you're still on the ground, that's your fault. If I come back a year later and you're still down, that's on you. Getting knocked down, that's life. Getting back up, that's you. So, from this day forward, promise me, you will not be defeated. Stop asking, why me, God? Why did I get sick? Why did I lose my job? Why did my mom die? Listen, you went through that for a reason. Because that tension, that pain, that storm, it produces greatness. Stop running from it. Run to it. Stop telling me what you're going through. You see, the greats, they go through it. They face it head on, and the harder it is, the better they become. I don't care if you're sick. I don't care what you're facing. If you're not dead, God's not done with you yet. As long as you wake up in the morning, you're still in the game. As long as there's breath in your lungs, you can still make it happen. Boom, that's your reminder. You're still in the fight. So get your butt up. Stop overthinking. You're analyzing too much. You're talking yourself out of your own greatness. I don't know if it'll work. I tried before and failed. No. Just keep moving. Make up your mind that the only way you lose is if you quit. Cry if you need to. Scream if you have to. Get emotional? Fine. But after that, get your butt back up. Put a time limit on your crying. Say, Coach, I need 30 minutes. Fine, take it. But when that clock hits 31 minutes, you better stop crying and start climbing. Because if you don't, you'll stay stuck in that pain forever. And that's why some of you aren't successful. Because every time life tests you, you stop. Every time it gets hard, you cut off beast mode. But I'm here to tell you, you've got to look that challenge in the eye and say, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. I will not leave without my degree. I will not leave without my goal. I will not leave without my dream. I will not walk away from this job, this client, this opportunity until I get it. So now, say it with me. I'm not done. I'm not finished. I'm not defeated. I'm still in the game. And I will, without a doubt, rise again. Get up, stand tall, and fight back. Because your story isn't over yet.